Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So this video will show you the way how to post on TikTok for everyone to see. So basically here we want that our content being visible for everyone so that we can increase the engagement or the performance of our content on a TikTok. So to do that, you just need to open your TikTok. So we all know the way how to create a new content is by clicking this plus button over here. So you just need to go click them. And you will have an access into the TikTok camera. Here is the camera, and let's just take a picture or take a video, or if you already have those content from your photo library, you just need to go upload here. So here I will let you go with the 15 seconds video, and let's just do this. After you finish creating the content, go click this checklist button and go click next. Now this is the sections. Now before you post the content, if you want to make the content cannot or can't be seen by everyone or public, you need to take a look on this side. Right after add link, there will be everyone can view this post. So you just need to go click them. Make sure that this section is in everyone rather than friends or only you, because whenever you click the friends, only the persons that you follow and the account that follow you who can access this content. And also don't click only you, because it makes your content being private. If we want to make this content being seen by everyone, just choose everyone here, and you just need to click this button to post the content. So that's the way how to post a TikTok content for everyone to see. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.